Good afternoon, friends. Something fantastic. I'm sure you would have already got a glimpse of this wonderful vehicle, Justice on Wheels, and we all have our beloved Sanjay Nulli sir, Senior Advocate, Supreme Court of India, and he's a Senior Executive Member of Supreme Court Bar Association. He's a heartthrob of Karnataka is what I say. He connects with each and every person here. Sir, thank you so much. You have been a fantastic mentor for the youngsters. Youngsters have to really look at Sanjay sir. You have to try and know more about him and see how he has grown up. And today he has come out with something very interesting. That is this Justice on Wheels. Please come here. Look at this. Wow. Wow. Look at this. Yeah. The mark is so much. You have this Sanjay Nulli. You see, Sanjay Nulli special edition. Just go, just a bit that side. Sanjay Nulli. Look at that. Can you just take a look this side? This side, please. Can you take it away to this side? Yeah. Justice on Wheels. I think it is not just about the technology. It is also about how we are able to beat up the common man. And common man, we go to the common man and try and deliver justice, or their issues can be sorted out. Sitting in this, yeah, we have Naman here already occupied the seat. Yeah. Wow. Please come. Let's go in here. This is probably a discussion place, is what I am seeing. Mr. Raju. Yes. Our governing council member, Mr. Samad, my friend here. Yeah, Mr. Naman. Yeah. How does it feel? Hey man, look at this. You can also sit down here and probably appear your video conference also.
Very fantastic.
Yeah, just in case the hearing comes in, and probably quickly you can also hear from here. Of course, we have to be in our full robes, and then that's a minimum requirement that is required. Otherwise, it's today the virtual courts have made us so close that Supreme Court has come to your doorstep. But then, mention not, we have to be disciplined to make sure that we do not misuse the entire virtual system what is there. Please come in. Oh, this is, wow. This is probably a small place where you can have a cup of tea, and you have your heating system also. The oven is also there. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Hey man. I think one and only person, Sanjay Nulli sir, has really made a difference. And you have their restroom also. Whoa. And it's quite spacious, huh? It's quite spacious. Wow. It's quite spacious. So nice. Sanjay Nulli sir. He has this convertible. What happens? Oh, look at that. Look at that here. Yeah, it just comes down. Hange itkondiri. Amazing.
Sir is traveling personally. He can communicate with his family
Directly.
Yeah.
And this is some rotating one. Huh? Yeah, so this rotates out here. So you can rotate. Goes up here.
Yeah.
And then it rotates. So you could probably talk like this.
360 chairs.
Amazing. So much of work has gone in. I think this is Sanjay Nulli sir. Thank you so much. You have always been a leader and leading from the front. And you are an example for any youngsters. Litigation is there. Please remember, boys. It's not about corporate. It is about the litigation. It's only litigation which can really give this type of a space to experiment. And the sky is the limit for this. And then that's one and only Sanjay Nulli sir. Once again, sir. Fantastic. Thank you so much. You have taken all the bold step always. I think it's about calculated risk. One should be able to take calculated risk, know what exactly is doing. And then we have here. Again, you see here, again extended. Wow.
His journey from Belgaum to Supreme Court.
Sanjay sir, if you can please, sir. Thank you. You also come, Gautam, just come.